Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Nutrivana Cranberry Probiotic Gummies, marketed for women's urinary tract health, pH balance, and digestive support. With cranberry probiotic gummies flooding the market, does this brand deliver results or is it just another expensive candy? Let's break it down. So Nutrivana Cranberry Probiotic Gummies combines cranberry extract with probiotics to support urinary tract health, balance vaginal pH, promote digestive wellness, and boost immunity. The typical dose is 2 gummies daily with cranberry concentrates, probiotics, usually 1 to 2 billion CFU, and vitamin C. Here's what real users across similar cranberry probiotic gummies report. Many women experience genuine benefits. One user with kidney stones and weak bladder stated they stopped waking up at night to use the bathroom after starting cranberry probiotic gummies, saying, "I saw the benefits from day one." Another reported improved digestion and urinary tract health after 1 month, saying the natural cranberry flavor is delicious and easy to take daily. Users dealing with frequent UTIs or bladder discomfort often see noticeable improvements within 1 to 2 weeks of consistent use. Cranberry has been traditionally used in herbal medicine to help prevent recurrent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. Probiotics, especially lactobacillus strains, support healthy vaginal and gut flora, which helps maintain proper pH balance. The combination makes sense for women's health support. However, cranberry gummies are not a cure or treatment for active infections. They work preventatively when taken daily as part of your routine. Not everyone experiences dramatic results. Some users report no noticeable difference after weeks of use. Effectiveness varies based on individual body chemistry, existing health conditions, and consistency of use. One reviewer noted that flavor can be odd or bitter, despite being fruit flavored, making them tolerable but not enjoyable. The probiotic content is relatively modest, typically 1 to 2 billion CFU compared to dedicated probiotic supplements offering 10 to 50 billion CFU. This means cranberry gummies provide gentle support rather than intensive probiotic therapy. Sugar content is also a concern. Most cranberry gummies contain 2 to 3 grams of sugar per serving, which can feed bacteria if you're prone to yeast infections or trying to manage blood sugar. Probiotics need consistent use. Expect to take them for at least 4 weeks to see benefits. These supplements should be taken 2 to 3 hours before or after antibiotics to prevent interference. They're not a replacement for medical treatment. If you have an active UTI, kidney stones, or other urinary issues, see a doctor. Gummies support prevention, not treatment. The final verdict: Nutrivana Cranberry Probiotic Gummies are worth trying if you struggle with recurrent UTIs, want convenient urinary tract support, or need gentle probiotic supplementation. The ingredients are legitimate, and many users see genuine benefits within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Just manage expectations. These are support supplements, not medical treatments. For best results, combine with proper hydration, good hygiene, and medical consultation for persistent issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.